What is coaching in your understanding?
Okay, coaching for me is just giving yourself an opportunity to learn more about yourself and understanding your true purpose or the meaning for your life.
Well, I'll say that coaching is like a mirror that reflects our thoughts.
So for me, coaching is a life process which gives to oneself the tools in order to gain or regain guidance of your life in terms of professional and even non-professional.
What did you expect from coaching?
I think I didn't have a lot of expectations, but I just was thinking that I want to know more about myself and I want to give myself the opportunity to learn who I am and what I want from life.
At first, I expected advices, but then during the process, I realized that the best advice is the one comes from myself.
So at the beginning, my expectations were mostly connected to motivation. I thought that I would be motivated and more motivated. But at the end, I think I gained again more tools than I thought. Not only motivation itself, but a set of tools which helped me a lot.
What impact coaching had on your life?
For me, coaching was life-changing. I mean, I was so lost before. I really didn't know who I am, what I want to do with my life. And then I just thought that why not? Let's see what it is, what coaching is. And after that, when the process was already ongoing, I was just discovering so many things about myself. And I found my true calling.
I'll say that coaching changed the way I see myself, my capabilities, my weakness.
Well, I think that with the process of coaching, I gained the ability to understand more myself and what I wanted to do and how and who I am. So I am more connected with myself. This is the biggest impact that I gained with coaching.
What convinced you to become and stay a coaching client?
Okay, for me it was becoming a coaching client because I wanted to know what I want to do with my life. And then during the process I understood that I actually want to become a coach. So I knew that I have to go through this process in order to actually help people in the same way that my coach helped me. And that's why I did it.
Okay, actually by chance, it was a tough period in my life, the lockdown, the pandemic situation. Then I started the process and I was satisfied, so I kept going.
Well, what convinced me was some people that I met that been through the process of coaching, and I kind of saw the benefits of that. And then when I started, I kept on going because I saw the benefits in myself. I felt really, really good, and so I kind of experienced it positively through the process. That's why I kept on going.
How did coaching help you to reach your goal?
It helped me because it helped me to discover my strengths, to realize my strengths, and so the way I could take advantage of them.
In your opinion, how can coaching help young people?
I think that coaching in general just it gives you the opportunity to explore more about yourself, your true nature, and your true purpose in life. And when you have the opportunity to explore that, you will find everything you want to do in life. And I guess that's what it gives for everyone who takes it up.
That young people to discover their capabilities, their strengths, and then guide them in their life and make a decision for their life and their future.
I think that again, coaching could help young people, especially understanding more themselves and connecting to their own beings, and so to start doing what they really like and follow that professionally, and even if they're young, they're not professional.
How can coaching be efficient in career guidance?
I think that coaching is a powerful tool to understanding what is your true nature, and by that you will just understand what are your strengths and what you want to do in life in general.